Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the team collaboration feature on Canva. So you want to add more people to your team on Canva. So the best thing to do is to click on share. So once you click on share, you see people with access. You can click on this plus button or just directly add people. If you know their name on Canva, you can key it in, or send. If you have a group already, you can click or type in the name of the group or their personal email. I think that would be the best. So just you can click on this place and input their email here, and Canva will automatically search for people with that email, and once you've seen them, click on add. So let me see if I can add my own. Okay, so once you are done writing the name, you can send the notification and it will pop up. Good. You can also add a message that should not be more than 1000, I think 1000 characters. Okay, 1000 characters, and then you click share. The person will automatically receive an email with the link access, with the access link rather, and so with that way they can join your project and you can perform greatly. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next one.